Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Okay.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Governor. Ego na akwanarị m. Baro nna akwado m agbata. Nigeria dị ka ọmụ ka ọ ka njọ n'isi. Ọ ka ọmụ ka Nigeria ka njọ n'isi. Oh! Chineke zụkwa m ka atụrụ. Mee ebere. Chukwu mere m ebere. Ọnọdụ m erijugo m ọnụ. Ihe nke a karịgo m ahụ. Chukwu sendịtakwa onye inye aka o. Sendịta onye inye aka. Oh!
Na wow.
Ụmụazị
Ọnịcha, ụmụazị POS Ọnịcha. Yeah. You know the lega and the me and myself. Yeah, which kind of money be this one? Then carry kanta give me. Tell me say hey, Chineke. For this Nigeria we had. That person give me kanta. Now wow. Imagine. What I use this money do?
Hey, Chukwu emege ebere. Hey, that I go sure. 1,000. That I'm sure good. Oh, okay, where you now? At the phone, I'm go. Okay, I catch you. Go on, Eba.
Customer. Customer, what do you want buy?
Achọ m igo gala. Ego ne kun nere gala.
Na 100.
Okay, next do. Oh. Nyam jeni.
Abeg go. Customer come. This money wey give me na counter.
Which one? Because look am well, oga.
Abeg come here. This money wey give me na counter. Look am now. You no dey see am. This money na counter. You no see am.
Oh.
You don't open my gala.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Calm down.
Give me another money now. You don't open the gala.
I go bring money for her.
Abeg go give me money. Customer give me money. This one I dey play with you.
You don't reach this
Abeg
level.
come on your clothes. You get mine, chop my gala, ba? Come on your clothes. Anytime when you bring money for this gala, you come collect your clothes. This is my play.
Because of gala.
Collect your money.
Because of naira. You know how much I buy this clothes?
Customer go bring my money. They tell me.
And you get mine, they call me customer. Oh, okay. My clothes.